Ever felt like that tweet you saw vanished into the digital abyss? Don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to find it using X's building tools. First, open the X app on your phone or go to x.com on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to search the history for. On your phone, tap your profile picture in the top left corner to open the side menu. If you're on a computer, look for your profile icon on the left sidebar. Then find and select Settings and Support. Within the Settings and Support menu, tap or click on Settings and Privacy. This is where we'll find the option to access your X data. Now, on the Settings and Privacy screen, tap or click your account. This section holds all the personal information and account management tools related to your profile. Look for and select Download an archive of your data. This option allows you to request a downloadable file containing all of your X activity, including your viewing history. On the Download Your Data page, you'll likely need to confirm your identity by re-entering your password. Then click the Request Archive button. X will start compiling your data. This process might take a few hours, or even a few days, depending on how active you are. You'll receive a notification or an email from X when your archive is ready to download. The notification will link you directly to the download page. Head back to the Download Your Data page. You should now see a button to download your X data archive. It's usually a .zip file. Click it to download the archive to your device. Once downloaded, extract the .zip file. Inside, you'll find several files and folders. The most important one is usually named Data. Open this folder. Look for a file related to your browsing history. The exact name might vary slightly, but it often includes the words browser history, view history, or something similar and end with .js or .html. Open this file. The file will contain raw data. Depending on the format, you might see dates, timestamps, URLs, and tweet IDs. You can now manually scroll through the data or use the search function in your text editor, like CTRLF or CMDF, to find specific keywords, usernames, or dates related to the tweet you're trying to find. Use a keyword or date that you remember, type that into search bar and click enter. This will show every X post that this username posted within this file, therefore your searched X post. Now you have the information needed to locate the elusive tweet. You might need to do a little digging, but this method will help you find pretty much anything you've interacted with on X. Good luck.